Afumantem ne mo a aha ye Sompa 98.9 FM say obono east na wote yenka ye Sompa 90.7 FM and asantemantam ne mpota mo nyina so no Sompa 93.1 FM ekutaye mo anwumre baby a wo bia ensemporo nsem big ya yakekese ne ne ye ba ne de aba besumwe abusafo nsam na poso eni ejoso by election no ebaso na honorable kwabla osu aduomi e the one na ekwa MPP for say so ma yoma dwene say ebrada hunahuna no modere ba dweso a ene one omode e by election na ebaso ne mu
Dr. George Akufu Damparodia Futua Magana for the Afia Batua Yabatua.
Na Afia Batua Ihuan and National Media Commission independent for the Futu Command some Jeff for say, Yanya Heye, when Yamo Bian Kwanko for Simpoa, and it Kubia Maye, Amian Kwanko Danedan in some Efa Abatuano.
Lawyer Quabra Boataya, Wajina Modiama Pipia Manokono, or just some person, so they are taught. Now this year, when Nemosa was one more Damoha, now woman to Abanoa and Fama Obifu.
For ya tese lore fenti adawa fo bi no mumeti for dia bom e so fula bonten so ye be ko no mo yakwa akodi nkomo
apanyi pabe so akasa wo chese professor Jenano Pokwajeman mama no nanu oda ne nsem wo kaka no chese waye krado so obedi o mayeni
we ni afufro pinu an yakeke se ne se kase abia wo bia na nwumre ye ba ne ye dia ba be so mo ye fasida PSC ema enyuma ekui
through Herbal Center one more tire chimizo and a 5G drinking so eka ho bi 21st clinic ye sciatica expert is my kitchen restaurant to say kwanakwadi dina ho ento express group yani yade wo to fa ade wo kokwasi boni krom wani nyimekwa wo do won madoma so yasene a yade kase boy ababa som don hwere no aduasa entem awusia so mfomienu ya yatena se abakenkan ensemi ayeme akoso ya aje wakode boaten mene
nana ya abo amalibi aboga
ensemi
abza for ye shase de free National Media Commission impeding fatna ye momoni to asafe Ghana for ye lezie butu ni miem ni ahwe kokromoti wonhwata bompa ye so twiri aponyankrompo base ya doma wata mononkom achi ototorobo nso tonso ba wi obotantimo a wode jafa dum ne mononkom jede matata obeti wiem na December bosom ne de toso nso na babati asomdwem na yakwa akoto aba akwa yemra spejafo a efie na ye wo ye nemi on be hemra papa ama Ghana kwa menkroma Ghana menu mienu Ghana afade ya pese ene na degidon papa bi afra na feso so no mampani a wode nhihye papa bi ebeba bi gwakom na bato no a ye kwa akoto no ena National Media Commission impeding for the futu e command sem chefo nyina se yenya hweye hwani ahwesempro ne nkapre bia e politician bi ne amanyoko ahodo no e de be man sem chefo nti asem no se ye fita na okwa akoda ne tuntum se ye tuntum so a na okwa akoda ne fita ene dwumadie kese bi Radio Universe nsie makoma akwadua sane efrimra ebepie asasi so na impeding for e bodwa na omo edisade e kwansronko so ena National Media Commission impeding pa yera ya bodwa ye boafo ofa yawo e de futu e koma ensemtwefo.
Now, as we traverse this year of intense political campaigns towards election 2024 and eventually December 7, which seems an epoch to confirm or expose the myth about the cycle of 2 times or 8 years, we must not allow ourselves to be misused by politically partisan interests to undermine our sense of professionalism. At the GJ Award ceremony in 2007, the erudite Catholic Archbishop Gabriel Palmer-Bakr recounted a story about Greece and Turkey. A professor in international relations attended a conference with his caterer wife in the USA close to Thanksgiving Day in that country. To let her feel at ease, he encouraged her to participate actively in the deliberations. So when the chairman of one of the sessions announced that the deliberations were to be focused on Greece and Turkey, the lady felt it was time for her to take the floor to demonstrate her pecuniary prowess in how to drain Greece from Turkey to make the meat tasty and enjoyable. Therefore, if you find my presentation tortuous, meandering and incoherent, it is only that I am struggling to make meaning for myself. 164 clause 4 of the 1992 Constitution of Ghana charges the media to uphold the responsibility and accountability of the government to the people.
Abzanfonti we aye offer ya bodwa ye boafo na epene kwanche for the National Media Commission ano.
Omayi Posiram Messi do Dr. George Akufu Dampare no to Ghana for Sawabasrada. Afia batu about 1 year so mamba pasube to me at that dear. Ya do a donor croya batu a banonia in pie plano, Sir Obedi Ghana anymore. Jumadia Sonkwana Koso, I want Kramantamu, and a nam so ama wadia semi kotuja. Watch your Safia batu here, Tia was a pinche bia Emerson came.
It used to be the fact that we normally start thinking of election security in the election year, and we saw that has become a handicap and creating problems that are avoidable. So we decided that going forward, election will be seen as a process, and the next one will start where the last one ended, and making sure that election security is mainstream into normal security operations. And this led us to the establishment of Police Election Security Directorate. We lived in existence for the past 3 years, almost 3 years. The directorate has become like a police station, which is open 24 hours.
Near and carry Mary Posiram Messi do Dr. George Akufu Dampare.
I was for year twice near the Marco just about to press yourselves for a money some say or don't for ya Duma April me women a chat war a year by election a bus just about to press your so I just some rasa Jenny on our board a year John Kuma Momonichi Abama Woo to more than forward than the control Korea or that man sign como CC for Patapafua when any diagra or then instead do to your pet bring your pet and then send you know cocoton so oh my God I'm running and say no or say yakoto aba na yekoyi di obesi eye adehye wo adjuso abaton pesua so anemu na mpenifo say na no eye eprobos me de etwato na eba so na emani musam say MPP akwakoyi de wogira de ama party no NDC fo atwe mo ho e de efiri akansi nim e na ka ne MP onabokwa na oso duomi akofa nkrata se kwambia so obesa so aba begya konya no atena so na campaign na ekoso wo adjuso de ebusiafo esiwoni nsese ye ka kire wo ene MPP for namfa na yehuru wonum na eduomi so namfa na ono so ne yehuru no enti se enya asam ketu akra wadwo abaton pesua so na na odobo kwabna osu eduomi campaign team ayensam twefo nhemu se yakopon ya adom on next Tuesday eye by election na eba so no se MPP for your madwene se omo de ehunahunu a ene akaka bensam na eba dwoso a omo entwema omo ekra opani eye Isaac Boafo a we campaign coordinator edema onabo kwabna osu eduomi nsemo a wode etu ye nemuni
anope yinya yeshenu ha se yede nsem ebetudwa ede amamo nema bone a Ashanti Regional Chairman, MPP Regional Chairman, Unfumi, any MPP4, any Abenum Penny4, Aba Ejusa, Omoye, Ewo, Ejusu, Mensimu, Ana, Ejusu, Abato, Mensimu, Asin. Niamani Biova, Yepese, Yadetumanim, Emma Monsu, Muhu, and Niama MPP4, Epese, Omudi Via, Aba, Eda, Ebenada, way and 30th of this month, Yababetuno, Opese, Omudi na Eniama Bonia, or Mashe, our planning, our Omode Bano, Ebini, ya Ididusui. Jedika, NPP4, Chemaun to me, any Abenum Penny 4, I omagni say, ballot boxes, no, Omudi Bifrin Kai Abba, any ballot papers, almost a baby, or Muntin Team, or my omagni say, Omode Beba, polling stations, na Yediana, Nipana Atuna Kama, or Mommy PJ, Fiona, Omodiano, Esio. They are just you know, Yanantia, say, Chemaun to me, or Nankasani, MP4, Akoye meeting, Akase, or more, I didn't be say, Electoral Commission for no, or Mutia Bribe, Eddie Amomo, na about to Electoral Commission for Nadi, or Madrine Ama, Omo, said the Bear Ama NPP, or candidates. Now, so yet, you will GDA Cassia or Electoral Commission, will say, Omobeya, or Mojuma Pepe, or Modu Mukridi, Ebeya Juma.
for campaign coordinator Emma Honorable Kwabena Usu Adumi Isaac Buafo Edietene kana omana nso a oso omasa so atete se Yakopon ya aduma Tuesday no by election no so moto aba na afira no pa edikosi anwumre na abato komisar mpedimfo hwie manugo se yen hya se yen kan a oma atese MPP fo ene ECG mpedimfo afa adwene se edwoso de ombedundum nkane asa eno eche so so ne macho manfo bi akwa kasa se omoto aba na ballot papers ne ballot box no omo MSS binko osesa de mani nyina omunim no mo abo mo ho e de twa MPP for wadwo so
MPP for ene chema huntumi a committee asese se e da brada na ye to aba no ye tu wie na se ba be kan aba no a omo bedundum light e wo ba bia se de be esum beba na omo nya kwan omo ne mabone a masese no omo nya kwan edi aviem e wo sabre no eso ye to so insia chema huntumi ene NPP for akohu metro man for Ashanti region amoho nyina no makasa se eda ebrada na ye beto aba no komomya na omumedi nsamone ewo ejuso ase de be ya ombenya kwan ewia abanum nenso medical ka ye ogidie kese ewo yewura IDP mu se eda brada no obema ne mnante no aye adwuma sonko se de be ya sade no ombesi anokwa ye toso enso no eye se NPP ene yewura chema huntumi ene ye maame firma opare Omaya Omadrin say secondary school from Korana more secondary school say what education consistency ano best the bus best saw more if you almost school no police stations be amoma kotoba so amom trouble okra amaya man so be so nyina akọ amoma kotoba ye can't say NPP for say Sunday no enya ye ntiase na ebesi ano because na ye two awofo no so so omuntu omoma no for say
Fonti weye ayopeni Isaac Buafo a woye campaign coordinator Emma Kwabena Usu Adumi kane ya joso MP by election na eba so no Ozafo munsemu ebobo bakakra eno no
na lawyer Kwabena Boaten ya wo gina mudi ama NPP amanyoko no so de ne de namfa ama wo sra je adehia e wo joso sa wo msra no ada anase mpo wo sra wonom wo mo hwe na wo mo hwe mfi wo mo ho ankwa nkoto aba no amfa mayewura Kwabena Usu Adumi sasa papa no wo batena so pen na ne nyina mu kura no nyoma waye no wadwoso nyina no NPP modern bontia ye wo senkene kwada ne eja wode anidie anasempo ebuo ne nyoma hodo bi edema NPP na so ekoba ye wadan nati ko ade ama amanyoko no a ama anyoma agensemu enam sayo so nti wo srepa se wo hwe se ne yewura jonkuma ba ye betena konyo so wo ye ede boaye no a we kire se NPP amanyoko no wo modwena dwoso wo pa enti won hwe na bato ebetoi wo masa so to biem adiama NPP amanyoko no lawyer Kwabena Boaten be won nsemtwofo akasa no sei eno kan nsefai
kenye sempo na kaye no se bi buru wo mu a wo mu bepribi mi ofa ba ko wo mu na kaye ka wo mu bo NPP titi akwantempon no a nka ye de ne ka ho emei nka mi be ka betene na ase anka ebia me so ka mi kopi futuru bi ne akwankyere na gya akora nko no so de kakra wo de aka ho amame sadie mi ro se je ye no nei ni no na ebo ntoa bakosam wo ho no ye nudu da seju so NPP ni bi a watena konwa no so pen na ne bra so ye no manfo so ye no wo be ti etua e wo party no so e bi si da first time we bi si ni na ne de eja abrantie abofra ntiechire na me hwe na me hia de e wo se je na no ye kokwa so mi du ho no wo akro wo tutu no ntoma na no kwasi ada awo no na agi microphone a wo yi media kire e company sem ne kasa abakosam a wo ka kire me uju kro we so aboponi we di ohune beji party no e bi si ho polidi wo manfo no associate me say enioma mi wura no kire me enya abompani fo bi obubu mu di wo mu ji party bi si wo obubu mu di kire me enya abo ono so na bra ni ru so Adumi betunu no a foreign minister mu na ni mu yes I was soon be I do baby so tiase Joseph was say why you be me enso ye fa you Adumi so de ne buy Adumi so buy Joseph ya nya na bro enfie dumi yes nyina ye nim Asante region ha seat bi ho a we ni din kura na wakomi na etwuso it's 12 good years wo ni ye wutiri mu po bi wo tiri bi ahwe be enfie dumi no die na o say wo di bebre no asom omanfo nti ye ha bium akora kojo
lawyer Kwabena Boatin, your turning king.
I was for just by election, yeah. She says, Samara, a do say a quacotoba say a quo who don't know, etnase geno money, and your moshe petete cremua, SSN, etime, a catcher so oh, or more egino money share manua, or more effice be a manu quasmesi, and also a bentine, and a bit me ready kind, and answer sumesi and also a bentine dear, just a one sumukura, or bury a redeem one more a dear. Now a quabako motor this edumedia wepa, says the omana, Ghana member said the Becas yes so almost a global info analytics ya yera Musa Dankwa Edano, one more HS just about Tom Pesiaso, by election na ebasono, one more upper room, any addition what just about Tom Pesiaso in Komokakra, na Omono Mudin Komono, in Susan so Munya ye any, honorable Kabno so do me, global info analytics for Trese, Somoto Abani we are, honorable Kabno so do me, one way ya, obetimi enya, or Hamunchichimum, Ediana Enson, a chiripo a ye inum, Obenya Emana a 47.5%. Na lawyer Kwabena Boatia, Ojina Diaman Pipi Amanukunu so Aquaconia, Hamunchichimum, Edunum, a chiripo a ye insia, 50.6%. Musa Dankwa in Chichimwa, what they emaye any.
What we are saying is that as of today, their candidate is leading 50.4% or 50.6%, and Eduemi on 47.5%. What it means is that if you look at the margin of error for the poll, it's about 3.42%, and the lead that MPP has is less than the margin of error. It means that anybody can win this race. Statistically, it's a tie. But why is it so close? Now, if you look at the data we've published today, about 36% of MPP supporters are voting for Eduemi, the independent candidate. And that is huge compared to 66% for their own candidate. And then if you look at the happenings in the Jusu, NDC hasn't fielded the candidate. So you see the entire NDC voters voting in bloc for Mr. Eduemi. That is unprecedented because NDC doesn't have a candidate there. And then if you look at the floating voters, again, Eduemi is leading among floating voters. He's leading among those who support other parties, and he's leading among those who do not even disclose their party affiliation. So with the exception of MPP supporters, every other party group is supporting Eduemi.
For Musa Dankwa Yepene Kwanche for the global info analytics ya nomu yekwa yakobasi yekwa kotwaba omo jina omani fi omani kwetwe so mani tia santemo pepe se jare bobo edi hwemu kire de obawie edi de obedi enkonim.
Dr. Kwame Asante, your senior political science lecturer at University of Ghana, and what did to judge yourself, Professor Janano Pokwa Jamani and Waba Franka Tunia Bedi Chodia Maya John Dramani Mahama no sama many tiabo bill pa. Sabio or Shasanya was it and Nanwada, then someone where can watch us on a Kwawabuano, Sam and Penyabedi Chen, Wabano Babe Dinwa Dini Papa, and I'm sorry, soon to know what you say. Sakwabasa say, and whatever the Anna Kababwa Ghana, my Sansana Kodruno, and some we.
What we witnessed was nothing but a true reflection of what somebody who intends to be a leader, and specifically we're talking about Rani Bate, has to be. You are bold, you are fearless, and then you are aware of the problems of the society, and you are ready to fix them when opportunity comes your way. And that is exactly what we saw. Yeah, sometimes, and I've been following media conversation about what he brought to the ticket the last time, and what is it going to be this time around. That conversation about what he brought to the ticket, I don't know where it's coming from, because I am ready to see any research that people have done that is able to disaggregate the votes that parties obtained in the last election, for you to know that this one, it was Nana who brought it, this one, it was John Mahama. These are other factors, these relate to other factors and all that. All that I'm saying is that there are various factors that voter choices. One is the economy, infrastructure development, the fight against corruption,
Yatwa and Samno Aso.
For yet to us, you go so the Mujin this Amanyuko Nepa, or more echo pa, Professor Jenano Pukwa, Jima want to say, when you to a pemo, and from Penida, a John Dramani Mahamana, and I'm so much for penny at the Emma and this Amanyukundi Atuga say, or mine, Yetimusi Sino, or mine Obuari. Emma Mojaba Bejin Trim, no mine bua, Wobua Hiama Mojaba Bejin Trim, no, for the Aquacobana Ghana for so soon I told many mono, your homie and so, and no mine a bua here, no, or see be bien one more, a year Juma or Maya Yetimusi see, is it Casamwa Jane Samo, Yapum didn't want to be bien one more, Eco Yesia, or best Ghana for, see Uncle Sua, the Ukraine Gidium, say Andy Samanyukuno, Eba, not Wababe, Church of Penny, and the ma a head job bojo. And this Yamanyukuno, Yura Fifi Kwete.
That the moment is in a state of collapse. And the state of collapse is not just the physical infrastructure or the economy of our country. The real collapse of our country is a moral collapse that we have seen over the last nearly 8 years. The spirit of this beautiful country is at an all-time low. The suffering people of Ghana are looking for an opportunity to breathe again. It was not long ago in America we had a case of somebody who died through suffocation. And his final words was, I can't breathe. The people of Ghana cannot. The level of pain, the suffering, the hardship, the lies, the dishonesty, the corruption simply is choking Ghana to the maximum level. Today is an opportunity
for way a church of open demand this Amanyukuno.
Shama kuma kwa diono no papa pasunie ya santemero wato force to ya wato sumienu otekra ne bra homa so wo fro asanteman adwa abatena konya sa asantehene sabra ne mo ne yo fro so bosom da to so aduonu nsia afi apem ahankono adiokono enkono 1999 ana obatena konya so entinda na nya asem kuma akora awo manhia ahemfie empanyimfo twetwo woro titiro ne ani ntine nsore ya hodo methodist asafo Roma asafo ene asafo ahodo a atwa ma Ghana ho ahia mu nyina bo fitam ya mu nyina akwa manhia ahemfie do odokɔbɔ dom akoda atwedi ampon ase sanyame ya bi pa woni asanteman adini na abafo owusu amankwatia ya otoso nsia aye nana bantemahene abran nsore ahodo ba ye na mbasom ye agina so ebompa de ma yewura no woni santwofo ekasai asibibi kyereye.
Yeah, as we've observed for the past years, it's been a leadership of inspiration, development. It's brought all of our nation together. The sense of leadership brought peace to Ghana and also to other tribes, and as we've all observed. So it is an inspiration to all of us. We should also work hard.
Very well. He has been forthright. He has begun some major projects. He hasn't finished yet, but at least there's something to show that he has been a good leader. We are grateful.
It's super excellent. It's super excellent. Since his stewardship way back 1999 up to today, he has been exceptional. Very humble, with good judgment, and also on the funny side, a good sense of humor. He's been a very great chief, a very great king, and we are all grateful to be his servants and subjects.
I was away. I am sorry. I would do it. One more canoe, another dry. Asantemero fish. Ya do no papa power nyayano. And won't be any kuti.
I was for about told just food and drugs authority in penny for or more any or more cra a pampers, the diapers, a big go mayemo. Yes, when you be about to on Montemo, Mojuma or Moyeno, Kiso Hankwa, and our more and nemu. And I'm some food and drugs authority in penny for the Krataba Bontain, about Chesses. How no yenuanom no mokra pampers ne diapers ne toilet roll ne hom pempra wade ebegu Ghana ase wo mo ennamu no omo nkrata omo de bae no ababeto omanim emma enene kire ya wono mo atebasum ko bia omo kwa akotena se no mate wo mani de ahwe omo nsem no mahwe aso ano a sade no ebi enkonkusi biu enam so opani David Kwame Amoate a we president da yenuano krakra diapers no ene pampers begu omayimu omo ekua no yene ne di nkomo cheche mo se ohaw bay ene atete ne atepo bay ene omonamu a eno ntisa krata wo mo de koma Food and Drugs Authority mpenimfo a omo ede anoye abai
na say won say Ghana godifo a omo edwagi ni ja diapers so no omo ne LD ase ntokota kebia bawunte na we na ye members omo so ton diapers ni bi besuti enze omo ofa diapers ni bi aba omo du tema port no mu nya LD for the name eti e jam panyi ko so ti e antra to so ena no am yi tu anamo eko LD eko ye nyame ni ni CEO de gma no ni da ko ne mpanyi eso je na no mo class ya e di ko mo wie he na chese mpanyi fo no ye ko ye no and some of them go for the catcher and in ya. LD, mamma, so in call for catcher. I will be about I have the panic on your harbor. Yet I think when you're for me, and yet I say, and this are statement to me about one thing. Say, what can any be would you drop? Yeah, when you see cow, pass out the copper dive papa. LD say, I pass a gun and drag your content in the crown. We are dragging now the permit. Krana, fucking number.
I'm going to weigh a traders advocacy Ghana. Ikuno Penekwan Jefa Wadano, Yura David Kwame Amwating.
I remember just I say, show my gun, young woman, some sort of say, I was school uniforms, I hold and Quadawa more basic schools, one more as no at home. And I'm sorry, so I'm another DA. Panya Papa, dear Choya, Cassada Masoya. I show my gun, and woman, some sort doctor, and not simple or Ernest Akosa. One of some Packer said in Como at Churchum at the Tracy.
I'm a Minister of Education, the two drugs, and inquiring professional institution of the business schools, uniform, and yellow and brown. I say it's a look at crowd, because there's no perception out there. So, if you cry, and I say, we are doing so. I say, not so that you period about the school from there. Hey, we want to have our private school. So, that perception out there, you person busy, and I say, you do free her, so you have them mad, the trainer of the Sompa, there is this new brand now, your person from BC. Commercial Sembosa, one classroom. If a classroom now, provided to find 35 40, school able. It is the same about the policy. I say, I'm not true. We trust Islamic schools, schools living there. And we know about the year we never come into one under one roof. They sit down back, no completion.
Ora Ernest Akosano no why deputy PRO at the Masoya a share mission.
For yen to akase no so money and from call our man so ne ebenation to asa enkode enkomo. Ya tese adawa for no mumeti for their boom ne nyina e loro fence mi a na Ebenezer na wo sufula bonti. Amen. Komo. Edi asem na esi wo sufula e.
Beda se. Sisi amino kase ne so be piemu sufula. Nchi wa se na afi so menti mo hwase e na piemu e wo sufula ha. Akwakoya ho te se edi ama party nya for na afi so no. Agaba fo bi mo mo. E na afi so no meti fo bi mo. So say enu me ya no mo di betu da say e ka se ntiade has asantema ntama se ehodi ewumu nko ano obatu eno na aka no bia na sisi a meleka se ni ebonfo bi no wo kwa wo mba be fa ehyen ewo ho no ebudu so kra ma sisi entokwa ekoso ewo kasa hodu mo ewo so fura ho te se nya asem to am na se de enchirimu no ba no mu che se 20% eno mu dia to so ate se mu di gi ka bia enti se fa se so fa ka ewo so fura na e 4 cities se no mo pejam e dia ko 5 cities sisi ano akwakora ho te se e dia mo ma fo bi no na wa bra nye bi mu di nkomo no mu che se obu pie no na nye sa na tie na so edu anyire no akwakora ho te se ama wo mu ate se enya ate to a edi so be pie mu so fura wa enipa abodon pie mu ho nya ase to a ni na se cash ntiade a
adaba for na so ameti for mo sa epobu oro apega mu e dia kwosoro no enu e na akoma e manfo bi mu wo ho no wo mo no so na akofa mentemu ase abaka passengers na afo so adaba for ensom e wo so fula ke se enya asanketwa e wo ti na ya bo ma de esi wo so fula no a e manfo bi mu e bi mu so ke se obu kokko apaya ke se enya asanketwa ka ba kokko na yinya ya ke se ye de koro wo ma pega from 5 series to 6 series e na ekofa ntokwa ke se enya asanketwa kora akoma awonetesem o ma fobi mu edwa wo apa te nya atem ketwa
Matie ben ye da se dia kabobo anu Nyankopon ya doma kira no pani asaso aba wonche ya ba beji nti wei sofula abonten so loro fe ho ntokwa ene Beneza usu ansa atoye mu nkra no ye gina wei so na anwumre nsem e bobo no de besom no ebusafo na ye de mo asia ne asore amadwumadi aka aba beto aso kuko no chinchin fidie ne ma yen ya Grace ene de ye call television so ye no so e besom anwumre na ya bo amale bia boga anwumre me ne
akosia ajiwa kwade boatin